How to animate lines in Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get that done, I'm going to the part where I want this to begin. Say, for example, here, I want the line to begin from here. So we're going to go ahead and look for an effect called Right On. I'm just going to drag it into my timeline. Now, take note that this is a nested sequence, meaning the text in the video is already here. Now here on the right on effect, we're going to go ahead and click this brush position and brush size. There you go. And then we're just going to go ahead and click back the right on. And then I'm going to go ahead and drag this under the G. There you go. And then I'm going to move one frame and then click this. I'm just adding a keyframe here. Now for the first keyframe that I have added, I'm going to set the value to 0. And then for the second keyframe that I have created, I'm going to set the value here to say, for example, 25, or depending on your desired value. After which, I'm just going to go ahead and move forward. There you go. I'm going to add another keyframe here, but this time we're going to go to the brush position, and then I'm just going to go ahead and move this here in order for us to create a line just like so. And yep, you can go ahead and click this in order for you to choose some color of the line which you want to add. So say, for example, I'm gonna add let's say, for example, red. All right, click OK. There you go. And then if I'm going to play this, and that is how to animate lines in Premiere Pro.